Welcome! In front of me is an HMD Fusion, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup process of this device. So when you boot it up for the very first time, you'll be presented with the welcoming screen, which is visible right here on my end, and you most likely want to change the language probably. I do, as it's in Polish, so I'm going to be choosing English from the drop-down list, and it doesn't really matter which region. Now we can select Let's Go. So next page we have connect to mobile network, and you can do so by just inserting a SIM card. It looks like this device actually supports eSIM, which is surprising. So that's one way you can achieve a network on this device. Other way would be, if you skip this, you also have the Wi-Fi connection page. Now if you choose to skip both of those, you will not have the Google login, the Google login page won't show up through the setup process. Date and time will be set automatically, and I believe you also won't be able to restore apps and data from something like a Google backup, as long as you don't have an internet connection. Now this can all be changed later on after the setup is completed, so you don't need to worry about it all too much. Anyway, I'm going to skip both of those, and yep, setup offline. Yep, and it gives us a pop-up right here, which with the info that I have just mentioned. So here we have the date and time. You can fix it up if you want to. I don't. I'm just going to select next. I'm going to connect to network later on anyway. Then we have Google services, and those will include things like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. You can turn all of those off if you want to, but let's be honest, it's Google, so they're going to gather the data with or without your permission most likely, so I'm just going to ignore this. Next we have unlock with fingerprint, so this is a way you can protect your device. Now if you choose to do that, you will also need to select a screen lock. And also if you skip setting up a fingerprint, it will still tell you that you can, for instance, enable things like face unlock instead of fingerprint, or if I skip this as well, I can select just a screen lock. And I can choose that instead of PIN, I maybe want to use pattern or password, or I don't need to protect it at all. Next we have the system navigation. You can choose whichever one you want, which you prefer. You have gestures and 3-button navigation. And I'm going to select continue right here. Here we have some HMD services. You can go over them. Basically they want you to subscribe to some crap right here. It's up to you. I don't really care for this. I'm just going to select accept selected. My device app. My device is the app that helps you get the most out of your HMD for longer. Easy to run diagnostic tools. Okay, I'm just gonna skip this. You can do whatever you want with this. And as you can see, this finishes up the setup. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.